Hi, I just finished my morning workout, which is part of my daily routine. Now I'm warmed up to dive into my Pay It Forward passion project. I do get to go to my personally perfect dream job in just a little bit, but first, let me tell you what really gets me motivated to get up and rolling every single morning. It's actually an obsession of sorts, dedicated to helping you discover a personally perfect dream job like the one I have. And we'll do it in 7 simple steps. My name's David Freeman. I'm a boomer boss and a career coach with a real day job and a plan and a promise to share with you at my home base at dreamjobdynamic.com. Here's a short story. In my day job, I'm part of the management team of an amazing company that builds big, beautiful buildings by the beach in Boca. It's Boca Raton, Florida. My plan is something I call Dream Job Dynamic, a totally free mentoring program that has evolved over my first 40 years in business while thinking like a boss. And my promise is to share with you the action steps that have been game-changing for me personally over many years and for a growing list of my fellow motivated mentees. The action steps we'll talk about on another day will help stand out from the crowd of your future former competition. And my goal is to help you to map out a path to ramp up your routine and to boost your bad self. And if you follow the 7 simple steps that we'll be breaking down, you will find yourself stepping out and away from that familiar collection of former fellow seekers. Just to be clear, let me assure you that the dream job discovery is not rocket science. It does, however, require some simple and logical preparation that we know will be forgotten or fumbled by most of your fellow seekers. Most of them will blast out of the blocks in panic mode without a plan or a prayer, and they will miss one important point. Here it is. If you plan your search well, which most seekers don't, you'll have success in your search that most seekers won't. Dr. Zeus. So consider this your invitation to join me inside, and I'll share with you the logical and simple action steps that will allow you to define it, to locate it, and to land it. It, being your perfect dream job, we'll do it in 7 simple steps. So here's the final short list of suggestions to power up your process. Visit the website at dreamjobdynamic.com. Download the free Quick Start Guide. And for additional information, check out the blog, the YouTube channel, and listen to and subscribe to the podcast. Then bring your questions and comments to the Facebook group. Then before you hit go, send me a copy of your old or updated resume for a courtesy Boomer Boss review. At the very least, even if you're a professional writer or a professional editor, before you send it, post it, or print it, always ask someone else, anybody else, to proofread your letter of introduction and your resume, at the very least for spelling errors. The point of all this is to make you the decision maker in your own passion project. So keep this in mind. When it comes to dream job discovery, you can do it yourself, but you do not have to do it alone. DreamJobDynamic.com. Come on back.